Well, this is kind of boring. I'm gonna make a Sonic. Oh, hiya, Sonic.
Hi, Mario.
Hiya, Sonic.
Hi, Mario.
Hiya, Sonic.
Hi, Mario.
I challenge you to a gun battle. Today, this night. Yes, tonight. Yes, tonight is the gun battle. Wait, what? Yes. What do you think I'm talking about? Yesterday. Why were you here to me last time? Well, see you tonight. Bye. 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 Alright, Sonic, are you ready?
Yeah, but why is my gun smaller than yours?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, okay? Because I want to win. That's why. I want to win. Well, that doesn't seem fair. Well, I don't care, Sonic. I don't care. 5,
4,
3,
2, go!
pew, 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 pew. Come on, step it up. Pew, 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 pew. Oh God, please. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh God. Oh.
Today, back pain can't win. Now introducing Aleve Back and Muscle Pain. Only Aleve targets top pain for up to 12 hours with just one pill. Aleve Back and Muscle
That's mini wheat. Delicious. But it's more than that. 10 layers of crunchy wheat to fill you up on big days. Whether your day...
We make the food and deliver right to your door. So you won't have to lift a finger. Overwhelming air fresheners can
Ha ha ha.
Breeze One with no aerosols and no heavy so you can spray
Why'd you just say that? Because I'm about to win. I said,
for Breeze One.
not so long, sucker. Ha! I kept the spear gun in my pocket in case this happens.
That work together to
I guess it
significantly
did
improve
happen.
fun.
Oh, I just shut up. Pew!
People with asthma.
Whoa!
Pressure, glaucoma, prostate, bladder, all your dog
What? That's impossible! It's possible. It's possible. Alright, fine. Just finish me off.
I know how to finish you off.
Please just do it. Are you okay if it's like okay for me to kick you? It's okay. Are you sure? Yes. Well then. Hup. Thank you guys for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like and comment down below. Whatever you'd like. Comment down below that I will win next round. Because I will! No, you won't, Mario. Just stay shit. I will win! No. Well, finally, he's out of here. He rage quitted on me. But, yeah, subscribe, leave a like, comment down below. And I'll see you next time. Stay tuned to see our new series called Steve the Lego Minecraft Killer. Yeah, it's coming up real soon. Promise, it's coming up real soon. But, yeah, Okay. Gotta go. Gotta go speed. Alright, bye.